Before we begin our journey, let the noise of the day drift away. Breathing slows. Attention rises. Past rooftops, clouds, into the quiet brightness above. Toward the star that makes life on Earth possible. The Sun is a star, one of hundreds of billions in our galaxy. Yet the only one close enough to warm our world. It contains 99.8% of all the mass in the solar system. And moves planets, moons, comets and asteroids through invisible gravitational threads. Earth orbits it at roughly 67,000 miles per hour. Held in perfect balance. Around 109 Earths could fit across the Sun's width. More than 1 million Earths could fit inside it. And it sits 150 million kilometers away. Not too close, not too far, just right for oceans, weather, and life to exist. Sunlight does not arrive instantly. Even at the fastest speed in the universe, it takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. But the energy inside the Sun, deep in its core, may spend thousands of years bouncing and swirling before escaping the surface. Every sunrise is ancient, every beam a quiet message from space. In the core, hydrogen fuses into helium. Tiny amounts of matter become enormous energy. Each second, the Sun converts millions of tons of matter into light and warmth. A single fraction of that reaches Earth, enough to power forests, currents, and life. Even today, more solar energy hits the planet in 1 hour than humanity uses in an entire year. Almost every living thing depends on sunlight. Plants capture its energy, turning light into food, forming the foundation of almost every food chain. Forests grow toward it, oceans respond, seasons shift, Day and night dance beneath it. Without the sun, Earth would be silent, frozen, dark. Some energy from the sun was stored long ago. Coal, oil, and natural gas are ancient sunlight trapped by plants, buried and compressed across millions of years. Today, solar panels try to capture the same light as it arrives each day. The sun is not just bright, it is life itself. And yet, the sun is only one star among hundreds of billions in the Milky Way. And beyond our galaxy, billions more. Some hotter, some colder, some with distant planets. Other dawns, other skies. Above oceans, forests, deserts, mountains, and cities, the sun rises every day. Light crossing space, energy arriving silently. One star sustaining an entire living world, continuing to rise day after day. If this little journey sparked curiosity, perhaps share it with a friend or family member who might enjoy looking up at the sky a little differently. Thanks for listening, and for exploring these moments with Little Planet Wonder.